Hello everyone, welcome to Curry Kitchen. This is Chef Narendra. Today I'm making samosa. So they are beautiful, they look very good and also very tasty. But I'm going to show you guys today how to fold samosa so that can look beautiful and it's easy. So many of you know already, but who they never fold samosas before and they're wondering how they make this triangle nice beautiful samosas. So I'm going to reveal the secret to you guys. So let's begin. Mm, so I have samosa mixture here, potato and peas, and samosa dough. One day ahead, I made the dough and roll it and keep in a cooler. What it does, it makes a little bit the dough a little bit harder. So um, it's easy to fold. If you're making right away, it's a little bit too running. So if you keep in a cooler, it makes it a little bit hard, so it can make it easier. That's the trick. So this thing, first thing I put it here, and I have water here. I dip my finger in the water and put in the top edges a little bit. Then I put it this way, one side here, then another side on top, and make sure this corner also nicely closed, and one finger I have inside. I give support to the one finger inside and one outside, so I make sure they are nicely sealed. It's very important. So once they seal, and I go back, I make a cone like that, and you see this line here, it comes to my side. So that's very important when you're making. And just make the mixture, the filling, how much you want it, and make sure no air inside. That's very important. So gently we just tap on top and make sure we have enough filling inside. So then again I want to make sure the water is here nicely wet, and so it will stick together. You see the one line is coming towards to me, so same size. So I'm gonna do the opposite sides. I'm gonna make one fold like this and press it together and bring it both of them together and stick it and make sure no air inside. Fold it and a little bit dust with the flour if you want. So look at the samosa, it looks so beautiful, guys. Look at this, it's beautiful, isn't it? So you can watch me over. So I'm gonna make the same way. So I put my dough outside for a while, so you have to make it quick so dough doesn't get soft. So press it, this one my side coming my side, then we're gonna press it gently here, water again, hold it here, then press it here, a little bit dust to the flour, boom. And again we're gonna do the same way. We're gonna put it down. There are many ways to do it. This one I feel easy this way. So you see that. So put in the filling here in the water. Hold it, hold it, hold it here. I dust some flour here as well, so I don't have to dust every time here. So water here, put it over, hold this side, seal it, make a cone, put it back again. So and you can fry in a 300 degree for 20 minutes at least to cook these samosas very well. And here we go again. Water it, put it here, here again, fold over. Once you know the trick, you can make the samosas very fast. So So you just need a flour, water, and the dough should be ready. Your mixture nice and cool. But it's very important. The mixture should be cool. Once you potatoes sauteed with the spices and all the game with the peas and the spices, then cool it down. Otherwise, your dough is going to be cooked from inside. So this is like a kind of boiling process will be going on, and you cannot make your samosas right. So make sure the mixer is very cold. That's very important thing. So here, there you go. Here, water, put it over, make a cone again. So I got an order right now, so I gotta go, guys. So as you guys can see,